Guys, I'm showing you this Rivbos Youth Baseball Sunglasses for kids. These are the polarized UV protection cycling glasses or can be used for any other sport purposes. So this you can see is a very nice box, very premium feeling, is a belt clip. So you can put it in the side of your bag or anything. And this is the glass. So this is the polarized glass with the UV protection as you can see it here. And is a uh, you know one piece set here for the glasses, and also there's an accessory kit with it. So this accessory kit have a microfiber cloth for cleaning, a small soft case, a polarized sticker to check the polarization, and a thread to hold these sunglasses. So you can see like this have a rubber cushion here for the nose, that's very comfortable. And for the polarized thing, hopefully you can see in the video, but I can see like through this polarized thing I can see the whole diagram or the whole figure as compared to the half one without these glasses. So that shows it's a polarized glasses with this nice built sunglasses, and is a good fit for the kids. Also with the soft case you can just put in here, and you can just put in the big case if you want to, or the microfiber cloth for cleaning the lenses, and also this thread to do the stuff. So this one is a nice sunglass, and then you can see a good fit on the face and on the side, so a good sunglass.